everybody is invited first to go to their seats. Seats are prepared by our debutant, Mariah. I'm so nice name, like Mariah Carrots. Okay, so I guess it's gonna be good if we're going to start at the very entrance of this venue. Okay, adjacent or right in front of our red carpet. Bongga ang red carpet natin, ito blue. Charot. Oh, fairy godparents as well. Are they all here now? Okay, so don't forget to put a smile on your faces. So this afternoon's motif is all about pink here, white and pink. So try to think of that. Imagine if later on you'll also be celebrating your 18th birthday. Try to think of that color. So nice, right? Pink or white? Pure white or pure pink? Okay, so before we start, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Kirk Morales. Just call me Teacher Kirky. O ang aking hihado, na may ready, para maring fusil. Just give me a signal if you are ready to start. And of course, our soundtrack must also be prepared in the tune of, what's the soundtrack? The entrance. Oh, bongga. Tribal. So you'll be doing the tribal walk? Ano yung tribal walk? And I hope that the weather would become friendly for us this afternoon because, you know, kaninang umaga umuulan siya, umusawak ang langit. And I was actually watching this beautiful, gorgeous, pretty, visitors of our debutant this afternoon. Okay. Mga kabarkads, andito ba kayong kabarkads ni Mariah? Please, make a noise right there. Ang wala, dalawa lang sila. A little bit louder, mga kabarkada! Yan, maingay. Mas marami yan, mas bongga. Ano yung itong dito? Kaklase, kabarkada? Ah, kamarket. Ano sila? Okay, sige. Wag sumimango. That is your entrance passport, okay? I guess there is a need for you to go backstage. Okay, just right in front or adjacent to the red carpet. Right there at the very edge when you walk through the aisle. Alright, and our debutant is already now. Okay, roses. Okay, where are they now? 18 roses. Okay, sige. Then it will be followed by the group of candles. Are the group of candles all here? Also to be followed by the group of gifts or the gifts group. Ayan. And will be followed by the bills, group of bills. And last but not the least will be followed by the group of good shutters, mga shots na nakara. Alright! So I guess everybody is ready. Okay na ba? Also yung mga batang maliliit, okay? You will also be joining the entrance, okay? After your lolo and lola. Okay. So siguro ready na, no? Kailangan maayos para bongga yung starting natin. Okay, just give me a signal if you are now ready to walk through the aisle. Alright! Nakapila na lahat? Okay, for the second time around, ladies and gentlemen, to start with the grand entrance of the 18 roses. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause again. Yes, come on. Wow, ganda. Yes. Next in line, ladies and gentlemen, the group of candles or candle bearers. Wow, just find a place where you would feel comfortable sitting. The group of gifts. Wow, bongga. Ay, bakit nakasipangot kayo? And this time, the group of 18 bills. Ito kay JS lang. Also, we have the 18 shutters. Okay, so pag wala na, ladies and gentlemen, siguro maging gentleman, kita. Mga girl talaga tayo. Ayan, ganyan din yung suot ko kahapon. Coco View style. Okay, and of course, the loving parents, Father Elvis M. Lumugdang and Mother Anna Betty Lumugdang. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, here they are. Wow, thank you so much. Again, these are the parents of our debutant. Okay, good afternoon po. And of course, yung mga pamangkin pa to, yung mga pinsan, yung mga little angels, no? Okay, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause as they prod along their way through the red carpet, going to the debutant's kickdown. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, dali. Come na. Ayan, sige. Nandito na may escort pala si Manang Claire, Mariah Lumugdang. Okay, ayan. Sige po, gagano talaga yung mga bata, no? And of course, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Operator, let's change your music. Okay, sige, pamaypay lang anay ka mo dyan, ha? Okay, of all the colors, no, pink ang pinakabongga na nag-choose ni baby girl this afternoon. Okay. Ilang lang, ha? Smile ka lang dyan, anay, no? Amuri akan bayo, pang grade 3 ako. Pink din. Ako mara akan corona, dali perdi, may guga corona, siguro na puspus, sa na perdi na utas. Okay, sige. Boy, okay ka lang dyan, ha? Ay, alright, sige. dance number. Okay. Prepared your dance number. Do you think this space is? Mailis ka pa. Okay, mailis na yung mga jeep. We still have celebrated live on air on FB or on YouTube or some of you are candle bearers. First, we have Ma'am Mariel Lagumbayan. Next, we have Nathalie Crescencio. Next, Nathalie Crescencio. Diyan ka na muna. Shahaya Delgado. Wala ba kayo mga kamay dyan? Salazar. Shane Marie Peroy. Carla Daniela Villas. Robian Atita. Neriel Pechayco. Ayan, naman nakasmile kayo. Ayan. Chanel Eddie Marfil. Anjali Divine Kagalawan. Is that Anjali or Anjali? Anjali. Anjali. Hindi pala siya si Anjali. Next, we have Lorraine Antaiza. We have Maria Charlene Bonares. Is that Bonares? Bonares. Bonares. We have Ella Jade Manganzil. We have Sunny Kiman. We have Angel May Tambanillo. We have Erlyn Rose Castillon. And we have Rika Joy Escarlan. Ayan. Smile! Kita mo, nag-smile sanda. Ay, kanunggo na Kita mo rin na medyo nakapik. Wad-wad ang git ako ni Chura. Char lang, secret lang. Okay, wow. Bongga, kita na naliknan tong siko mo, kanang pag-angga. Kita na gawang possession. Ayan, atras. O, lian. Oh, bongga. Ay, bongga. Smile. Awat ulo niyo. Smile! Alright, then. Thank you so much. Ayan, girls, you may now go back to your seats. Ayan. So, napansin niyo ang petikot gaan sa tanan, no? Okay. Karoon na magbasket gawara nga ng energy. Matakilog ra sanang echora. Echora? Okay, so this time, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Mother. It's gonna be good if we're going to start from the very start. At that very edge of our red carpet. Okay. So, kinanglan bugana, ginanang pag-entrance Mother Candle Bay Natana, and listen to the special message from your mother, Mr. Operator, the very sweet music that you know. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Mother Ana Fe Lumugban. Before you blow that candle, listen muna sa message ni Mother. Go.
Masunod ka kung ano ang hambalo ni nanay ay ang nanay ba'y sinulong ka kasana?
Ay, di kasana galito to daw dilo mo. Okay, sige. Gawa maybe si Mother mo na yung gita na sa kandila kang kasanang narita. Okay, si Mother pala kag si Daughter. May photo op. Sanda, Mother, smile ka ha. Kinanglan din ang imong bakbak. Ilangat sa imong talinga. Smile. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. And next, ladies and gentlemen, I know that these couple are prepared for their dance number. Okay, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
You can never saw me stop, when you walk outside, did you hang it up, be the fool. This is how this goes. Change my mind, shine the light. See the time, see the real things to me, so I can't let you go. I wanna stay until you're next to me.
Very nice. Sino pa sa sayaw? Meron pa ba? So this time, let's have the giving of presents. Okay? So, also the Christmas celebration is fast approaching. Everyone probably will be receiving gifts coming from Manitos and Manitas. But this time, will be coming from special someones. No? Yes, to start with, let us have... okay. So let's have F-Joy Capison. Come on. Where's Mom Shini? Shini, diba? Okay. Tina Ishin. Pakaisa. Pakaisa. Lapit ka muna medyo sa kanya. Okay? So next, ladies and gentlemen, we have Crystal K. Caligjo. Caligho. Sa English by what the letter J? What the letter H? Wow, okay. So again, Crystal K. Caligho. Okay, so on behalf of Crystal, we have Nika Joy Escarlan.
Ako na ano yung i-symbol ang ano, product ng papa mo, may regalo na lang.
Okay, thank you so much, Teacher Anay. Mas namin ka nung i-reveal nyo ka nung meaning na inyong mga gift, okay? So, next we have Ma'am Daphne and Keman. Pakaisaman, okay. Saan si Ma'am Daphne? Andito, ayan. Sige. Okay, what does that mean now? Yung gift na dinadala nyo. Okay, sige. To make it more meaningful. Okay. Yan daw para magwapa ikaw. Tira ka na. Ano ka nagdala ni mother? Okay. Yan talaga? Oo. Okay, yung maliit yung gift niya, kaya yung buksan, baka yung iba naglalakihan dyan. Tapos pag laumas niya, drum. Okay, sige, next! We have Riza Capistrano. Asan si Riza? Sa Keza? Sa Keza man siya? Sa Keza? Okay, sige. So, pakaisa. Ano ba yung pakaisa? Second cousin. First, second naman. Okay. Where is Ma'am Riza Capistrano? Wala siya. So, let's proceed with Ma'am Sylvia Punco. Ma'am Sylvia, is she here? Is Ma'am here? Nandito. Ang laki niya. Siguro, foldable na, yan, na double deck. Okay. Sige, Ma'am. Muna. Okay, sige. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sylvia. This time, let's have Sir Angelo Gonzalez. Andito si Sir.